Hey guys, Rhino here. So today we got a call and we're going to El Mirage Dry Lake. It's gonna be a really easy recovery. There's hardly anything to do, but the people there, they don't have the tools or the help to get a Can-Am that rolled over on a trailer. So they called us. We're heading that way. We're gonna help them. My truck is in the shop right now, so we have Mofles, the former Rhino, his son, and Carlos, and we're heading that way right now. Once I get there, I keep recording. And if you're watching this video for the first time, if you're watching my channel, please subscribe. I really appreciate that, and we'll see you in a little bit. The job to be done will be really easy, but as you can see, we have to drive a little bit over an hour each way just to get to them. Feeling. We're getting there. We're close to the Mirage Dry Lake. You can see it right there. Look at the 5G antennas. Antenas del 5G.
Ahí está el COVID.
Hey. El Mirage. Oops. We're almost there.
Derecho.
Sí.
Miren, la moto está jalando. Llevo jalando.
Hey.
Anda en su ambiente.
La ventanilla. Right there. I apologize ahead of time for all the wind noise that you're gonna hear during the rest of the video. My so-called friend tried to get too close to the bushes to knock the phone out of my hand. Haha. There we are. All right, let's get it done. Which wheel is locked? The back?
Yeah, this one right here.
All right. So how do you guys roll over or what?
Yeah, I rolled over.
You rolled over?
Yeah.
Right here in the bed or somewhere else?
Yeah, those right here.
Oh dang.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, we'll get it up. Don't worry.
Yeah, I just need it up there. Once it's up there, then I can strap it on it.
All right.
Good to go.
No problem. Let's get it done. Okay, déjalo, levanto de lado.
Espérate.
Aquí está, mira, aquí lo levanto de lado. Aguanta.
Ahí está.
Súbele. Dime cómo súbele porque tenemos que levantarlo ya.
Ahí lo va a tirar, güey.
these off-road dollies, they became really handy. And well, now they're going home. They've been waiting for us, for quite a while. There's a bunch of people off-roading over here. Right now it's dying down, but nobody could, will help them because they didn't have the right tools. So, we finally show up after waiting for, a few hours. We got it up and going, and now they're going home. So thank you guys again for watching our videos. Thank you for liking them. Please don't forget to share and subscribe. And of course, as always, we'll see you next time. Say bye to the camera. Hey, digan bye.